Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Mita Rahmawati. My study ID number is 13016211063 and I am a student of the Mathematics Education Bachelor Program at the Jakarta State of University. In this video, I will explain about the history of the root symbol. How is the origin of the root symbol? In mathematics, the root symbol is often used, but we don't know the origin of the creation of the root itself. This ignorance causes people to think that mathematics has too many signs or symbols and is difficult to understand. Therefore, I will explain the history of the root symbol in mathematics so that we know more about the origin of the root symbol. For the first, who discoverer of the root symbol? Yep, he is Christoph Rudolph, who was born in Johor, Silesia in the year 1499. At that time, Johor was under Bohemian control since 1335 years. Rudolph studied algebra in Vienna between 1517 and 1521 years. Christoph Rudolph was the author of the first German textbook on algebra, and he was a student of Henricus Grammatius at the University of Vienna. Okay, next, the beginning of the root symbol. Christoph Rudolph first used the root symbol for the square root. He argues that using the term lato, meaning side, which is sometimes interpreted as a root because the side is not known for its length. This term is then taken to calculate the side length of a square, and the square number is called lato cubico. By using the symbol Rx, it means the radix symbol as on the screen. Next, another unmarked root sign denotes a square root of 2. This sign was introduced in 1220 by an Italian named Leonardo da Pisa. The Rx sign is an abbreviation of the word radix, Latin for root. For square numbers, we find the roots of which will produce easy numbers, but outside the number will produce a number called a virtual number or an irrational number. For the cube root of 3, the cube of 3 must be written directly above the square root because the symbol radix is similar to the universal symbol doctors use in writing prescriptions. Therefore, Christoph then replaced it with the symbol r.q. so that the square root for 2 is written with the notation r.q.2 and the cubic root for 2 is written with the notation r.c.2. Write root notation with r.q. or r.c. turned out to be inconvenient and impractical, so it was made by writing in the form of lowercase r. What happened then? Writing this notation with lowercase r if written by hand. Over time, these various lowercase r's were given a standard form, namely the form as we know it today, root. He chose the symbol because it is similar to the letter lowercase r, which is taken from the word radix, Latin for the square root. This symbol was first used in France. Root sign is like a root branch. That is, a plant cannot exist without roots. So figuratively speaking, roots mean the basis or source. When someone says that the cube root of x is 2, for example, 2 is the number of bases that must be raised, like a plant, from its roots to become egg. When we solve an equation according to graph theory full of botanical metaphors, a graph is said to be rooted if one of the points known as the root is distinguished from all other points. That was the beginning of the root symbol we know now. Then, why should know the history of the root symbol? The introduction of the history of root symbol before starting learning can provide students with motivation and enthusiasm for the lesson, with history allowing students and teachers to think and talk about the material about roots more meaningfully. That's all I can say. Hopefully what I have said can be useful and increase knowledge. Sorry if there are mistakes. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.